Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Ford Expedition. First, make sure your vehicle is safely in park and the ignition is on. Next, grab your mobile device and turn on its Bluetooth feature. Then, navigate to the sync system menu on your vehicle's display. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process, so take your time with each step. Once in the sync menu, choose the Add a Device option. Your vehicle system will then generate a unique 6-digit PIN. Make sure this PIN matches the one displayed on your mobile device before confirming. After successful confirmation, your phone should appear in the sync device list, indicating it's ready to pair. This step securely links your phone to your vehicle. With your device paired, you can now enjoy hands-free calling and audio streaming. Simply select your connected phone from the sync menu to manage calls or play music. For added convenience, utilize voice commands to initiate calls or switch tracks without touching your phone. Remember, you can always adjust the volume using your vehicle's steering wheel or dashboard controls for a comfortable listening experience. If you encounter any issues, a quick restart of both your phone and the sync system often resolves minor glitches. Sometimes, deleting old or unused device pairings from the sync menu can also help. Additionally, ensure your phone's Bluetooth settings are set to discoverable or visible during the pairing process. These simple steps can usually get your Bluetooth connection working smoothly again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.